Thank you for visiting my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the select case statement using option buttons. There are times when you want to select uh, where to put certain values on your worksheet based on what the customer is doing or the person working with the worksheet is doing. In this case, I'm working with a credit card statement or credit card sheet where I have charge, I have interest, I have payment, refund credit, and I have rewards. So basically what I'm going to do is select a case, and depending on which selection is made with the option buttons, then that will decide where the amount is going to be entered. For example, let me show you, I have this form made. Let me see if I can move it. Okay. If you can see, the customer will have to select either as a purchase, interest charge, or as a refund. So depending on what they select, that will determine what box it'll be entered to over here. So let me show you this over here. Okay, let me see how you go here. If you can see, this is the form. Let me show you again. Okay, it has the date picker. It's got the select card. Actually, I can't see it over here, but let me execute it over here. Alright, so you see you have the date picker over here. I can select the credit card that I'm using. I can select what account is it going to. And for example, if I'm going to enter, this is the date, and let's say this is going to be a purchase. I'm gonna enter $20. I'm still working on formatting the sheet, and I'm just gonna enter this for the purpose of showing you where everything is going. So if I do purchase, as you can see, when I do purchase, gonna put it right over here, and I click save. You see 20. So if I select interest charge, if you can see, it'll put it right over here under interest. If I select this a refund, it's going to put it right up here, refund. All right, so and everything will be calculated accordingly. Haven't gotten to that part yet, but that's a different video for the calculations. But basically, just wanted to show you how to do that. So let me remove this again. Let's go back to the coding. Basically, this is it's very easy. This is all it takes. Pretty much you're going to use the select case over here, select case true, right? Then select case option button 2, which was the first one I have there, a little backwards, but select case option button 2, if that equals true, then it's going to put on cell LR, which is the last row. I have that right up here. This is LR and the procedure for to determine the last row. So last row, column 10. Now if they select option button 1, it's going to go on 11 and so forth. Case option button 3 is going to go to 14, which is the refund credit. So it's very simple. And as far as the payment, it won't be from here because the payment will come from the bank, and that's have to be deducted from your bank account. And for that, let me see if I can show you that part. I have lost my mouse here. Give me 1 second. I have a let me make full screen. Okay, I have a menu over here that takes me to my checking account. Alright, so that will go from here. I would create a check to check. Now when I enter that check, I will make it go to select the credit card, and the payment will show over there. There's a little more. I just wanted to show actually, how everything is working over here. But the whole idea was to show you the select case for using the option buttons. Let's go back to the credit card. Here we are, and let's go to the top corner. That's the worksheet, and this is the top corner over here. This is the whole sheet, and I hope you get the idea on how to do it. Just post the video. Pretty much all the code is there in one spot. Let me go back. Okay, so pretty much everything is here. This is just how I enter the information to each box. These are the rows, these are the columns. LR stands for the last row. So, and pretty much that's it. You create the form. This gives you an idea how to create the form and how to pretty much enter everything into it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe. Gives me an incentive to keep working with easy routines. I am not a professional. I am learning like you, so sometimes I struggle finding this information. So I'm putting it here so you don't have to struggle the way I do. So thank you so much, and please subscribe.